Hello guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video we are playing I don't know, I forgot the title. So I'm just gonna do it on the when I uploaded it. So let's go to the city. And by the way, I'm playing with my brother. Ah! Such a tornado! Please get me inside, please get me inside. Please get me inside. I don't know where I'm going. Oh no, oh no, 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 oh no. Run, 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 over there. Okay, okay, okay. We're going to the cake shop. Is this the cake shop? What is this? I'm gonna go right here, okay. Much better. Okay guys, I have cake. Okay guys, I'm playing with my brother. Okay, this is her. It's not carved, that's right. So we I'm gonna kill her. Well, okay, so let's go on. No, no, no. What did I just Is there the come on, get up! Come on, you have to go. You have to go like this and climb up like that. The tornado's right here. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Ooh, that's so good. The tornado sound are so realistic. So I'm just gonna go slide. Wow! Wow, that's so good. This playground's my best. Mind if I just go slide right here? What happened? What happened? What are those noises? But tornado Stacy. That's so funny. What? That's the. Woo! Can we upgrade to get me up? Come on. Come on. How's the tornado gone now? Come. Let's say come. Come on! Come on! Yes, easy tornado. Bro, come on. Come on. Come on, get up right here. Now I'm staying right here. I'm eating cotton candies. I don't know why. I love cotton candies, so let's go. Wee! Get up. Get me up. Okay, this is so hard. Yeah, that's so scary. Jump. Oh, I did it. Okay, let's go right here. I'm gonna hide from you. I don't know where to hide because my head is so big. Okay, guys. Got me up right there. Got me up. Okay, guys. If this video gets like 5 views, I will show you how to draw a girl because I've been drawing every day. So if this video gets 5 views, I will tell you how to draw a girl. So I have a question. What is your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Just tell me because I will tell you my favorite color on the drawing one. And I'm just hiding right here. Okay, so Backflip, get up right there. Hey! Come on, let's get into the car. Meet me on the date. I deserve it, babe. And don't forget the flowers. Don't worry, guys. It's just a song. I'm gonna drive. I don't let my brother drive. 'Cause I'm the only brother. Come on, get inside. I'm gonna lose hope. Just click. Click it. We're good. Now let's go. Wah! I don't have driver license at this game, but in Brookhaven, I am real good at driving. Okay, but kinda I'm really good. Okay, so let's go. Ah! Get that away from me! I'm not real good at this, but I'm gonna do it on first person. I don't care. Okay. Okay, this is so hard to control. Whee! Okay. There's a toilet. What? Why is there a toilet, bro? No, go. Ah! Let's get to the house. Let's get to the house. Watch out. Okay. Put the car away from me. Okay, we're staying out there. I'm out. Get me out. Okay. Ah! Get me inside. Okay, brother, where are you? Where's my brother? Oh my god, that's so quick. I got jump scared. You go down here. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. You didn't. Ah! How many times you guys have been scaring me? Go, get me inside. Get me inside. Go on, get me out of here. Get me out of here. It's really right there. What are these? This one. Oh, my brothers are there in the tornado. I want to see. Girls just. Ah! Get me out of here. Get me out of here. We're gonna hide. It's so much fun. Hi. Oh my god! It's a realistic mode in Roblox. My first time. Hi. What kind? Okay. No. Where's the car? Someone stole it. Ooh, get me inside. Get me inside. Oh, yeah, better. Ooh, this is so. But I am really. Oh my god, it's so cool. Okay. My brother's dead. I don't know why. It's a song, I don't know why. Okay guys, I think that's the end video. So, to the next video. Bye.